Welcome to my YouTube channel Cyber Muneeb. Today we will discuss how to get a scholarship in Canada. Like in today's video, I'll discuss some of the most prominent scholarships in Canada and what are the procedure and what are the ways to apply to these scholarships. I'll try to go through them one by one so that you will be able to apply through them in the most proficient manner. And at the end of the video, I'll discuss what is the best way and what are the things that are required to get the scholarship to enhance your chances in getting a scholarship, so stay tuned till the end of the video. So let's proceed to first scholarship. The first one is VANIER Canada Graduate Scholarship. So the key points, it is offered to PhD students, and then the scholarship value is around 50,000 per year, and candidates should be nominated by the Canadian institution. So your institution should nominate you for this scholarship. Evaluation criteria is quite similar, like you have to show your academic excellence, you have to show the research potential. It could be either in the form of research publication, it could be either in the form of some previous background research, some master's thesis or something like that. You have to show your leadership, you can say potential. It You have to demonstrate it in your personal statement, SOP, and certain other documents that you submit. Like even in your CV, if you have done any co-curricular activities, you can nominate it up. And let's move to this link. So you can see this is the home page of VANIER Graduate Scholarship. First of all, you have to check the eligibility criteria over here, and you can click on eligibility details, and afterwards if you are eligible, just move to nomination and process, and then it will ask you instruction to applicants, information for institutions. So you have to click on instruction to applicants, try to go through these steps in brief detail, and then you can nominate yourself. You can contact the institution to get yourself nominated. So I would highly suggest to go through this in deep detail, and then you will find out that when to apply, what are the ways to apply, and how your institute can nominate you. So this was the first scholarship. The second scholarship is Ontario Graduate Scholarship. It is for both masters and PhD students as well, and its value is around 15,000 a year. So it would be around, I believe, $1,500 a month. And it is the minimum duration is for 2 consecutive terms, and it is for international students. So all the international students should apply for this scholarship. Evaluation criteria is quite similar, like it is for you have to show your academic excellence, you have to show your research potential, communication and leadership ability through your SOP, through your other documents. Let's evaluate the website of this scholarship. It's taking time. Okay. uh, so in Ontario graduates. So this is these are all the details. First, you have to go to the scholarship overview, award quotas. Different award quotas must be available. So you have to check your eligibility criteria, and afterwards go to the application process. So you need to meet all these eligibility criterias, and then you have to go to the application process, that how to proceed. So application process is quite similar for all the scholarships. You have to confirm the eligibility, and then you have to proceed further to fill in the application form. For example, apply for the admission if applicable, for and then move further. You have to provide the contact list of your two references. So this is the second one. The third one is University of Toronto scholarships. So this is not just one scholarship; these are multiple scholarships being offered by University of Toronto. So like they are stipend scholarship, tuition fee scholarship. They are for multiple levels, even for undergraduate as well. So let's go to the website of University of Toronto. I'll provide all these links in the description so that you can proceed to these links. So this is the website. Here you have to select like different study level. Let's say I select graduate, and it will show me all the graduate scholarships available over here. I'll put the link in the description as well so that you can directly go to the link. For example, like Summer Research International Experience Award, U of T Safety Abroad Bursary, and CIE International Experience Award. So you can check on all the scholarships. You can even click on admission scholarships over here, and it will show you all the possible scholarships. So explore this link as much as you can. The fourth one is University of Manitoba Graduate Fellowship. So this is also for registered masters and PhD students. So you need to be registered in the university first, and then you can apply to this scholarship. So it is also available for multiple levels. Let's explore this link. So here you can choose the faculty you want to. Let's say this is the main link for University of Manitoba. Let's click on Faculty of Engineering, and then in the award type, make sure you click Scholarship, and then click on Search. It will show me all the possible scholarship. For example, Keith Dixon scholarship in the second year of engineering, and for the third year of engineering, and Bill Evans Memorial Scholarship. So you can explore all these scholarships and then apply it accordingly. So but for these awards you need to be within registered within the university, so you cannot apply before joining the university. But there must be some awards as well from University of Manitoba, where you can get the scholarship before joining as well. But over here you need to get registered first, and then you can apply afterwards. The fifth one is the University of Calgary Graduate Awards. It is also for the masters and PhD. So let's explore this as well. So here you can click on graduate research database, or you can just explore the awards. For example, they have nominated Canadian Graduate Scholarship for Masters, Canadian Institute of Health, and all these scholarship. VANIER as well, they have also nominated VANIER as well. And then try to explore all these scholarships, and then you can apply accordingly, like of which scholarship you are eligible, and which one is the most prominent to you. And my final remarks would be, the first and the most important thing for a scholarship is your CV. So like whenever you are applying for any scholarship, make sure you make a good CV from your own template. Do not copy anyone's template. The second thing is your research proposal. If you are applying for a research based degree, normally it is good to contact supervisors first. They can overlook your research proposal, they can nominate any specific field, they can nominate any specific scholarship as well. So make sure to make a good research proposal. The third thing is a statement of purpose, as we discussed earlier, that you have to nominate your criterias, or you can say in the eligibility criteria you have to nominate that you have good leadership skills, you have good communication abilities. So your statement of purpose is the most important thing to nominate all these things. So make sure to make these things in the most best proficient and the best manner. And last but not the least, give your 100% and you will get a scholarship very soon. Good luck for that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye bye.